Hi, this is Matt Patty with Coldwell Banker, Matt Patty Real Estate. Check me out on the web at www.mattpatty.com. And I'm here today to talk about the importance of continuing education for real estate agents and why we do it. What spurred me on with thinking about this topic and wanting to do a video blog on it was I'm just sitting here watching webinars to finish up my accredited real estate professional designation with Coldwell Banker. And I thought to myself, hey, it's a good topic for a video blog to talk about it. Okay, so why do we do continuing education? Number one, it's state compliance. Every 2 years, every active real estate agent needs to do 24 continuing education hours, and those are basically classes. They're usually split up into 3 or 6 hour days, 3 or 6 hour blocks. You get up to 12 credits for a class that you can take, and it's usually about 1 hour per credit. Now, getting a little bit further into it, why we do it, besides just state compliance, one of the biggest reasons you hire a realtor instead of just selling the property yourself or just going out yourself and trying to find a house is because we are supposed to provide you with a wealth of information. And if we're not getting continuing education so that we can stay up on the trends, polish the skill sets we already have, and provide value and information to our customers and clients, then we're really not doing our job. So it's important to, as a real estate agent or a realtor or a broker or whatever faculty you're in this business, it's important to stay polished up on the trends. And by doing that, it's more than just professional designations of the ones I have or I'm working on. I'm an accredited buyer representative. I'm working on my accredited real estate professional designation, and I am a Z-Pro for my internet marketing with Z57 and www.mattpatty.com. And as the years go on, I'm going to continue to learn and collect these accreditations because I really do believe that it's the core of being a good agent is having information. Going one step further, as an agent, you want to be reading up every single day on real estate related news. You want to know what's going on in the markets. You don't want your clients and customers coming to you and knowing more than you do about real estate, and that is why the best producers in this industry really are real estate files. We really are the type of people. We might work 8 to 5, 8 to 6, go home, spend a couple hours with our families, and then get back online, not only working on our own search engine optimization, but also our own knowledge base, building, reading things from NAR, reading on Active Rain, reading on all of the other real estate websites that are available, all the blogs, things that are out there to make yourself better in your craft. And that's what we do. That's why it's a commitment to excellence that makes the best agents, and that's why the majority of houses are being sold and resold and sold again by the same agents as opposed to any one of the 5,000 or so people out there with real estate licenses. So finishing up on my thought with this webinar, with this video blog, I just wanted to strive my belief in continuing education. You don't just do it to just skate by, okay, I got 24 credit hours, it's good now, I don't need to learn anything else. It should be a kind of like a booster, like a trampoline into kind of invigorating your brain into wanting to learn more. That's what these CEUs are for. And if you want to be a good agent, and I'm someone who's always striving to get better, and I am a very excellent agent, and my customer satisfaction track record indicates that, but the day I stop trying to get better is the day that I should go find a new business, and that day hasn't come yet. So just stressing the importance of continuing education as a real estate agent. And if you're interested in this or any other topics that are real estate related, go ahead and check me out on the web at www.mattpatty.com. Matt Patty Real Estate, Coldwell Banker, sign off on this Sunday night, and wishing everybody good luck with following up on the education in their field of choice and the things that they're passionate about.